Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome to our e-learning class. Today we are going to learn tenses in English grammar. So first we see the definition of tense. Tense is defined as the form of verb that gives the relation between time and action. Time is the duration of work and action is the work done. Tense gives the time when the action is done. So what it means that tense shows us the verb form. And which kind of verb form it shows us? It shows that time and action between duration. We know that nowadays whatever we have done here, we know it's time. We want to see when we done this and what kind of action we will apply. Whatever you have done, action need at that time. So tense shows us time of the action whichever we have done. हम जो भी करते हैं और हम जो भी एक्शन करते हैं उसका टाइम हमें जानना होता है या टाइम उसका होता है, तो वो टाइम हमें टेंसेस के थ्रू जानने को मिलता है. और टेंस नहीं होगे तो हमें पता नहीं चलेगा कि ये कब हुआ था, कैसे हुआ है. इसीलिए इसका बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंस है. There are three phases of time. टाइम के 3 phases यहाँ पे डिवाइड किए हैं. प्रेजेंट टाइम, दैट इज नाउ. जो या अभी का टाइम है इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? व्हाट वी विल से दैट प्रेजेंट. पास्ट टाइम दैट हैज पास्ट, व्हिच हैज गॉन, वी विल टेल इट पास्ट. यानी कि जो हो चुका है उसे पास्ट कहेंगे. फ्यूचर टाइम दैट इज एट टू कम, जो अभी आने वाला है, जो अभी आया नहीं है लेकिन जो फ्यूचर में अभी आने वाला है उसे हम कहेंगे फ्यूचर. ओके, लेट्स कंसीडर द सेंटेंसेस गिवन बिलो. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेल. हरी eats a mango. हरी ate a mango. Hari will eat a mango. So here, what is the difference between these 3 sentences? Eats, ate and will add. These 3 things shows us time. Means ate, ate and eat, that is verb, and we saw time related or we saw time through verbs. Okay, let's see further. Present, past and future. These 3 sentences are related: present, past and future. Now friends, let's see classification of tenses. यहाँ पे classification भी किया है. There are 3 tenses. As you further see that present, past and future. Each tenses is further divided into 4 forms. यानी कि each tenses है present, past and future. उसको हमने डिवाइड किया है 4 forms में. कौन से 4 forms है ये आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे. Study the chart given below. Let's see the chart. So you see its different forms. First is present. Indefinite means present indefinite tense. इसे simple भी कहेंगे, simple tense भी कह सकते हो. Then another one is continuous. Present continuous tense. Then perfect, present perfect tense. Next present continuous tense. That is present continuous together है. इसकी formation थोड़ी अलग है लेकिन वो भी हम rules के according देखेंगे. Second, past. Simple as the same indefinite. Continuous, there's the past continuous, past perfect continuous. The same way we can see 4 forms in future tense. Future indefinite simple, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous together. Now we see first one, that is present. And in that present, first, that is simple indefinite. Present indefinite tense with some lot of different examples or with different rules. After the definition of tense and classification of tense, let's we see what is and what about the rules of present tense, that we can say present indefinite tense or we can say simple present tense. then in which time we use this, or which possible to use this tense that is given here. Some rules we follow at the time we use this, not in all time we use the same things here. We have to follow the rules which is given. Specific rules are here which is related some habitual actions or some regular things. Let's see. A, to express habitual action, habit or custom. When what the present tense express habitual action, which means that action happens every day or which is a part of your habit. Then habit as the same, or custom, which is the custom of our society, of our tradition. That time also we can say this tense we express. Examples, let you see. I watch television on Sunday. So this is a habitual part of that action, of that watching action. Then she gets up every morning at 6 o'clock. So she gets up every morning, that is the time fix, and that is the habit of her getting up. Then he walks in the evening. That is also his habitual action, walking action. Okay, the next rule will be to talk about a general or universal truth. What it talks about general or universal truth, which means we cannot change it. जिसको हम बदल नहीं सकते हैं, वैसा यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ उसको हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. The earth revolves round the sun. उसको हम बदल नहीं सकते, या ये अपना जो रिवॉल्व करना है वो कभी बंद नहीं कर सकता है, वो हर वक्त चलता रहता है और हर रोज ऐसा एक्शन होता रहता है. That's why वो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ में आता है. The sun sets in the west. उसको हम डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं कर सकते, या हम कहे ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. सन है जो अपनी डायरेक्शन में ही वेस्ट, अपनी डायरेक्शन में ही सेट्स और राइज होता है. टू और टू मेक्स फोर. This is a kind of sayings or proverbs, or this is the general scientific truth that 2 plus 2 that becomes 4, as we know that. So ऐसे जो truth होते हैं हम जिसे बदल नहीं सकते हैं उसको भी हम simple present tense में ही रखेंगे. Next rule, to indicate a future events which is part of a plan or arrangement, which is a part of your arrangement or a plan that action we indicate in present tense, जिसको हमने पहले से ही अरेंज करके रखा है या जो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, लेकिन उसकी जो इवेंट है उसका जो प्लान है उसको हमने प्रेजेंट में डिस्कस किया है, तो उसे भी हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में ही एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. जैसे कि the school reopens next week. That already decided when it open. That's why here shows us simple present tense reopens. The examination commences next month. This is also already decided. That's why we use it in present tense. Okay, the further rules. To introduce quotes which the verb says. Says verbs. We use says verbs and introduce that quotes we express in present tense, like kids, that is the author or that is the poet. And if in place of kids the author is given, that time it is remain as it is. Kids says a thing of beauty is joy forever. ये quotes है जो kids ने लिखा है. So ऐसे बहुत सारे quotes हो गए जो बहुत सारे authors या कवि ने या poets ने लिखे हो गए, तो उसको भी हमें क्या करना है, उस quotes को भी हमें simple present tense में ही express करना है. Next, vivid narration as a substitute for simple past, which is vivid narration. It means past में हो चुका है. It is already done, or it is already done in past, but still we discuss now, and that is a kind of someone's courage, bravery, or which is related our past, our tradition, our custom, our holy things, related our holy things. That time we use this tense. That is one example here. Ravan fights bravely, but he is killed in the end. So these things happened in past, but still we describe in present. So this is the things here you have to concentrate and keep in mind. Exclamatory sentences that begin with here and there. That means here and there. Exclamatory kind of sentences that is here and there means very short sentence. Sometimes it like instruction, but it is short, very short sentence. Here you go, like there he goes. So this is here and there related sentences, still it shows present. Then the last one, time clauses and conditional clauses in place or simple future, which is we use simple future or which is happened in future, but still it is in conditional clauses और टाइम क्लोजेस, कंडीशनल क्लोजेस, उसका रिजल्ट हमें फ्यूचर में देखने को मिलता है, बट उसको हमें अप्लाई प्रेजेंट में करना होता है. जैसे कि इफ यू डू नॉट अर्न मनी यू विल नॉट बाय द हाउस. तो हमें ये क्या दिखाता है, आप मनी नहीं अर्न करेंगे तो आप फ्यूचर में जो बाय करना चाहते हैं, यहाँ पे एग्जांपल में है हाउस, तो वो हाउस बाय करना चाहते हैं वो हो नहीं सकता है, तो उसका इफेक्ट फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, लेकिन उसको हमें अप्लाई अभी प्रेजेंट में करना है, यानी कि मनी अर्न हमें प्रेजेंट में ही करनी है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ कंडीशनल क्लोज, टाइम क्लोज. इफ यू डू नॉट वर्क हार्ड यू विल फेल. सो वर्क हार्ड जैसे ही दिस इज ऑल्सो द कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, उसको भी हमें प्रेजेंट में ही फर्स्ट कंडीशनल, इफ दैट इज कंडीशनल, shows us present. Now we will see the affirmative or negative type of sentences. What we will do in that case with some formation. Okay, the class is over, friends. We will meet you in next video. Thank you.